All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a studio apartment in Brighton. Okay, so all right, so it opens up. Carpet everywhere. All right, but good size. This is the foyer, hallway, as you guys saw already. More carpeting in the closet. That's a good deep closet right there. Space all the way up to the ceiling. Nice and sunny kitchen, gas stove, good sized fridge, lots of shelf space. Above, counter space, sink, some cabinets, fire escape, and again, yeah, some really good sunlight coming in. Okay, some shelves. So plenty of space. You saw the closet already. Bathroom. Nice vintage clawfoot tub. Some linen shelves there, vanity, sink, toilet. Yeah. And into the bedroom. Good sized bedroom. All right. The windows. Radiator heating, so heat and hot water are included. There's laundry in the basement, and this would be the egress, so it just leads to another part of the corridor that we just walked through, and a shallow closet right here. Okay, so Brighton studio, not too far from Commonwealth Avenue, access to the Green Line. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough.